Yes, good morning. Next concept, multiple root. Multiple root or repeated root. Multiple root or repeated root. Both are same. Again, I am repeating multiple root or repeated root. Means same root is repeated. That is 2 times repeated or 3 times repeated or 4 times repeated. That is your choice. That is the root is called the multiple root. Suppose one root alpha is said to be a multiple root of order m. Alpha is said to be multiple root of order m. That means alpha is repeated root of order m. Alpha is repeated m times. To the equation f of x equal to 0. Then f of x can be written as x minus this alpha. It is repeated by m times, so x minus alpha whole power m into phi of x. Into phi of x. For example, you have 2 is multiple root of f of x of order 3. Then f of x can be written as x minus 2 whole cube into phi of x. Again I am repeating, 2 is a multiple root of f of x of order 3. Then this f of x can be written as x minus 2 whole cube into phi of x. Some polynomial is the phi of x. Some polynomial is phi of x. Now coming to this, based on some note points, you can say note points. If alpha is a multiple root of order 2, alpha is repeated root of order 2, 2 times it is repeated of the equation f of x equal to 0, then f of alpha equal to 0 and f dash means derivative of f of x. F dash x is the derivative of f of x. So f of alpha equal to 0 and f dash of alpha equal to 0. Again I am repeating. Here in these notations, f dash means first derivative of f of x, f double dash x means second derivative of f of x, f power n minus 1 of x means n minus 1th derivative of f of x. Alpha is the common root of f of x equal to 0 and f dash x equal to 0. Alpha is the common root of f of x equal to 0 and f dash x equal to 0. Then alpha is multiple root of order 2, that is alpha is repeated root of 2 times. Alpha is repeated to 2 times to the equation f of x equal to 0. Again, alpha is the common root of f of x and second derivative of f of x. F of x and second derivative of f of x means f double dash x equal to 0. Then alpha is a multiple root of order 3. Alpha is multiple root of order 3. Next, if alpha is a common root of f of x and third derivative of f of x equal to 0, then alpha is multiple root of order 4. Means alpha is repeated 4 times. Again I am repeating, alpha is a common root of f of x and third derivative of f of x equal to 0. Then alpha is multiple root of order 4. Now coming to last point. If alpha is a common root of f of x equal to 0 and f power n minus 1. N minus 1 means n minus 1th derivative of f of x equal to 0. Then alpha is multiple root of order m. Alpha is multiple root of order m. Okay? You can do the copy the notes. Already I sent it to you notes. PDF format I sent it. So you can copy. Now can see the next question. Everyone maintain the notebook properly and do the calculations, problems, everything. Exercise wise we are explaining, discussing the questions. 8th one. Find multiple roots of first one 8x cube minus 20x square plus 6x plus 9. Multiple root, that means it is repeated by 2 times or 3 times, we don't know. You have to find the root, multiple root. First given equation you can take as f of x. Let f of x equal to 8x cube minus 20x square plus 6x plus 9. Now you have to find the f dash, the derivative of f of x. 8 into x cube derivative 3x square minus 20 into x square derivative 2x plus 6 into 1. Derivative of x power n. Derivative of x power n is n into x power n minus 1 by using the formula. Derivative of x power n is n into x power n minus 1. So derivative of x cube is 3x square, derivative of x square 2x, x derivative 1, constant derivative is 0. So let f dash x equal to 0. We get 24x square minus 40x plus 6 equal to 0. 3 terms contain even numbers, so 2 common. 12x square minus 20x plus 3 equal to 0. 12 3s are 36. 36 factor summation 20. 18 2s are 12x square minus 18x minus 2x plus 3 equal to 0. From this 2 6 common, 6x, 2x minus 3 minus 1 common, 2x minus 3 equal to 0. 2x minus 3 into 6x minus 1. So x equal to 3 by 2, x equal to 1 by 6. Out of these two, any one root is the multiple root. Any one root is the multiple root. Suppose if we take this value, by using x equal to 3 by 2, you can do the synthetic division of the f of x. By using x equal to 3 by 2, you have to do the synthetic division of the f of x. If we get the remainder is 0, then 3 by 2 is the common root of f of x and f dash x. At the time the 3 by 2 is repeated root of order 2. The 3 by 2 is repeated root of order 2. In case remainder not equal to 0, then you can go for x equal to 1 by 6. Same process you have to do. Now see this f of x. F of x value. F of x is what is given 8x cube minus 20x square plus 6x plus 9 equal to 0. Now 3 by 2, that is 8 minus 20, 6, 9. Now 0, 8. 3 by 2 into 8. 2 4s are 3 4s are 12. 12. Minus 20 plus 12 is minus 8. 3 by 2 into minus 8. 2 4s are 3 4s are minus 12. Minus 12. 6 minus 12 minus 6. 3 by 2 into minus 6. 2 3s are 3 3s are 9 minus 9. Minus 9 equal to 0. Minus 9 equal to 0. Just 1 minute, Nana. So, remainder you got 0. Remainder 0 means now 3 by 2 is the common root of f of x and f double dash x. 3 by 2 is the common root of f of x and f dash x. So, 3 by 2 is the multiple root of order 2. Again do the synthetic division. Again synthetic division cheyandi. 8. 3 by 2 into 8. 2 4s are 3 4s are 12. 12. Minus 8 plus 12, 4. 3 by 2 into 4. 2 2s are cancelled. 3 2s are 6. 6 will get. Remainder 0. That is the reason it is repeated by 2 times. So you got the 2 roots are 3 by 2. Now third degree equation are the 3 roots. Third degree equation are the 3 roots. Out of 3 roots, 2 roots are 3 by 2. Then other root is first degree polynomial 8x plus 4. That is x equal to minus 4 by 8. That equal to minus 2 by 3. Therefore, they ask in the question, find the multiple root. Therefore, multiple root is 3 by 2. Roots are 3 by 2 comma 3 by 2 comma minus 2 by 3. 3 by 2 comma 3 by 2 comma minus 2 by 3. Just copy the question. Yes, continuation. Now second bit. Find the multiple root of the equation. Multiple roots of the equation they are asking. Now same procedure you can see. Same procedure. Given equation you can take f of x. Given equation you have to take f of x. Let f of x equal to 12x cube plus 40x square plus 39x plus 9. F dash x you have to find. 12 into 3x square plus 40 into 2x plus 39 into 1 plus 0. It means f dash x equal to 0 equal to 0. F dash x I am taking directly 0. So that is 36x square plus 80x plus 39 equal to 0. So finally 36x square plus 80x plus 39. Now you have to find the split the middle term. If you split the middle term, obviously roots are, see this one, 36 into 39. 36 into 39. Factor summation is 80. 36 into 39, factor summation is 80. So any term is common, 13. So 36, 4 into 9. 36 into 39, factor summation is 80. So this can be as 2 into 18, 3 into 13. 18 3 is 54, 13 2 is 26. So 26 plus 54, 80. So this can be written as 36x square plus 26x 54x plus 39 equal to 0. From these two, common letter is if you take the common 2, then 2 1 ja 2, 18x square plus 13. From this 2, you have to common letter is 3, you can take it common, 18x plus 13. So obviously 2x plus 13, 2x plus 3 into 18x plus 13 equal to 0. Then x equal to minus 3 by 2 comma x equal to minus 13 by 18. See the factorization again. 36 into 39 factor summation 80. 26 54 are possible. So from this 2x common, 18x plus 13. From this 3 common, 18x plus 13. Now 18x plus 13 common, 2x plus 3 will get. So x equal to 2x plus 3 equal to 0, then x equal to minus 3 by 2. 18x plus 13 equal to 0, then x equal to minus 13 by 18. So by using x equal to minus 3 by 2, you have to do the synthesis of f of x. What is f of x now? F of x is 12x cube plus 40x square plus 39x plus 9. So that is the quotients minus 3 by 2, 12, 40, 39, 9. 12 minus 3 by 2 into 12, minus 3 by 2 into 12, 2 6 minus 18, minus 18, so 22, minus 3 by 2 into 22, 2 11 then minus 33 will get, 39 minus 33, 3 will get, so 6, so minus 3 by 2 into 6, 2 3 that is a minus 9, 0. So f of x also root minus 3 by 2. Then minus 3 by 2 is a common root of f of x and f dash x. So it is repeated by 2 times. So again you can do the with respect to minus 3 by 2. 12 minus 3 by 2 into 12. Minus 3 by 2 into 12 means minus 18. 4 will get. Minus 3 by 2 into 4. Minus 6 will get 0. Then 12x plus 4 equal to 0. X equal to minus 4 by 12. Minus 1 by 3. Therefore multiple root is minus 3 by 2. Roots are minus 3 by 2. Roots are minus 3 by 2 comma minus 3 by 2 comma. Copy the problem. Now coming to continuation, LAQ problems, multiple roots. Up to third degree equation is SIQ problem. Now coming to LAQ's multiple root you have to find. Given equation is the fourth degree. So given equation you can take f of x. Let f of x equal to x power 4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square minus 24x plus 36. F dash x you have to find. F dash x means derivative of f of x, x power 4 derivative of 4x cube, x cube derivative 3x square, 3 6 are 18x square, x square derivative 2x, 2 into 13, 26x minus 24. To find the cubic equation roots difficult. So again I will do the differentiation. F double dash x convert into second degree. X cube derivative 3x square, 12x square. 18 to the 2x, that means 18 to the 36x plus 26 into x derivative 1, constant derivative 0. Now you have to factorization. These three are the even numbers, so 2 common. 6x square minus 18x plus 13 equal to 0. 6x square minus 18x plus 13. Product of the extreme terms 16 to 13, factor summation is minus 18. So we have 2 into 3 into 13. 2 into 3 into 13. So there is a 24. 24. 26 will factor. So 13 to the 26. 26 is not possible. Then you can go next to you can see this one.